Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's been 2 weeks since I came back from India, and I have to tell you that trip to India was a hell of an experience, and I am still recovering from that trip. I can say it was hard. The weather was so hot and there was so much stress on me. It was a culture shock. The entire wedding, it was so exhausting, and I'm glad that I'm back, but it's still struggling to get back to my routine, and my sleep is not adjusted yet. I go to bed at 1 a.m. and wake up at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Yeah, I'm still struggling to fix my sleep. But today I woke up at 11 because I had to go shopping. I planned this shopping day for about a week. Every day I woke up late, I couldn't make it, but today I woke up at 11. It is 2 p.m. now. But the good news is that today is Thursday, and every Thursday all the shops are open until 9. That is the only day we have late night shopping here in Australia. So today I'm gonna go and do my shopping in the afternoon, and I have plenty of time. I just got ready. This is my outfit. I don't know what to wear, honestly. I don't have anything for the cold weather. I'm going to buy me some clothes for the winter, because it is winter here in Australia, and I've donated all of my clothes in the summer. And I have nothing to wear. I just put my hair up in a pony. My pony is very short. Yeah, I just wanted to be out of my face, because I need concentration when I'm buying stuff. So let's go. Today the weather is perfect, but at night it is so cold. During the day, when you are inside the house, it is so cold. This is the design of the houses in Australia. So when you go outside, it is warm. When you come inside, it is cold, because our houses are designed for the summer, for the hot summer. So yeah, but this year it is really cold. It is colder than last year. Okay, first stop, Target. Here to have a look at the clothes and see what they have for me for this cold weather. Not this. Oh, sorry. Things like this. If it's so cold, I probably should get something like that. Guys, what do we think about this set? Beautiful gray color, 40 each piece, $80 for these. We are going to the H&M. We have good discounts. Not too bad. We got a quick snack, burger to eat. Here, I've done some grocery shopping and got some ghee, milk, and some dry fruit. This is pear, And this is peaches. And some treat for my cats. Sourdough bread. Some pickles. Tomato chutney. Pasta. And I was craving some sweet, okay? I bought a small cake, so I don't eat too much. I'm gonna have this for dessert. I've done some meat shopping. And for tonight, I think I'm gonna make mince and pasta. And some eggs and glass container. And also bought some hangers for my new closet. And some PJs. I have to wash these. But yeah, look, very simple pajama. Yum. Good morning, everyone. Today is Saturday. The vibe is saying go outdoor, so I got ready. I just want to listen to the vibe today. So I got ready to go do some shopping. The main thing that I'm gonna buy is some tools and stuff I need for covering one of the fences in my backyard, because recently our new neighbors moved into this house, and they have installed so many cameras around their house, which kind of annoys me because they can literally see inside my bedroom through their cameras. So I spoke to them. They have changed some of the cameras, but one of them is still facing my bedroom, which is uncomfortable for me. So I have to keep the blinds down all the time, and my bedroom and my living room is dark because of that. So end of story. I don't want to talk to them because I don't have time to speak to stupid people. I'm gonna go and buy some tools and stuff to cover the fence, and also I want to raise the fence by half a meter. I mean, cover it somehow. We'll see. Let's go to the Bunnings warehouse where all these tools are sold. So we're gonna go and pick some stuff from there and hopefully cover the fence. This is my outfit. Yesterday I've done some shopping from Target, and I'm gonna show you what I got from Target also later in this video. So for now, just let's go and enjoy a very relaxed, slow shopping day. Alrighty, time to show you what I got from my favorite brand, Kmart. So I got me two basic like tops, two different colors. These boots, they're really comfortable, and I bought them for $30. Yeah, they're really lightweight and yeah, cute. Oh, this is what I got from Target. So it's a mini dress, and on top you wear this coat with, which is going to be so cute. And like that. I love it so much. I love the color, and the style is like simple but cute. And also I bought this cute doormat for this area. Bonnie, go sit on it. That's right, that's for Bonnie when he wants to watch outside. So he sits there.